Something took a shrimp. Alright guys, zero planning was involved in this trip. It was kind of spontaneous, but first cast going in. What we're using today is live shrimp. Well, I'm cutting it half so it's fresh, dead shrimp. And I'm topping it off with a fish bite. Super clear water, 71 degrees temperature of the water. We have a nice deep pocket right there. It's ways out, but we can cast to it. This guy, we're gonna go with the live shrimp. You wanna hear something unusual? It's late March. The water temperature is 71 degrees and we already have snook on the beach. I saw two of them cruising down the beach, just literally here in the shallow area. But 71 degrees water, I never seen them so early here on the beach. So, and I think I see some shadows might be over there. So I'm just gonna cast this. This is not ideal, obviously. It's a double, it's a single drop with the 1 ounce weight, but I only have 3 rods with me today. So maybe we get lucky. Little circle hook and a live shrimp. This is a really small rod to be catching snook, but that's what we have with us today. I only have my 2 Pompano setups, 11-foot rods, and one little Shakespeare 5.6. Oh, I see that something cruising over there. You can see shadows. That's probably snook. Oh, something took a shrimp. That's on the Pompano setup. It's a nice hit. Oh, that's a nice hit. What was that? Something jumped, so that was a cut shrimp, and I might be what is it, a shark? Yeah, it might be a shark. That might be a shark. Oh, he's going in my other lines now. Come on, buddy. He's right over here. What is this? Is that a bonnethead? Yeah, that's a nice size bonnethead, I think. Yeah. That's a nice size bonnethead. Yes, it's a shark. Bonnethead. That's a bonnethead. Same family, but smaller, way smaller.
What's it called?
Bonnethead shark?
Oh.
Yeah.
You got all the tools.
He didn't cut the line. There you go. It's a nice size, actually.
That's cool.
Yeah, and I just want to show it to the camera.
Oh,
Nice size bonnethead. We have a nice show here. Nice size bonnethead. Hit really hard. We're gonna get this guy back. All right, buddy. Thank you. See ya. Look at him. So cool. Ma'am, you caught on my line. Yeah, I got it. Paddle boats got caught on my line. All right, that was a quick bite. That was on a cut shrimp, cut fresh shrimp, and fish bite. Not a pompano, but they hit super hard. Cool fish, those bonnetheads, and I caught a paddle board too, so that's a bonus. There's a lot of cool facts about bonnethead sharks. They're actually the only sharks that can eat and digest plants, grass, stuff like that. So it's actually cool. And there's all other things. They have, I believe they have the shortest pregnancy of all sharks. There's some other cool things about them, but I don't know everything. Family of hammerheads, but way smaller. Yeah, so we have a beautiful day here. Almost hitting 80 degrees right now. Water is crystal clear. Something small is nibbling on our rod. Yeah, so it's probably hard to see on the camera. There is a very light color of water that's super shallow, and there's a dark spot right there. So there's a trough running through that beach, and here we have a really deep spot. That means there's a much deeper pocket of water there. So I got those two pompanos set up, targeting that trough, that pocket over there, right on the edge and right in the middle. Oh, we might have something really small on our line. The tip is barely moving. What is this? Yeah, it might be a puffer. Yeah, it's right on top. It's gotta be a puffer. Right, yep, that's a puffer fish. Alright, these guys are still here. Look at these choppers. Jesus. Don't take my bait. So, I see some snook right over here. Really shallow. Gotta put my line way closer. I just saw 3 snook swimming right past me. Something on top of the water again. I just threw that line out there, right on the edge of that deep trough. Oh, stay pinned, buddy, stay pinned. Don't go over there. What is this? He went to the side, but I saw it on the surface first. Could be another shark. Although I don't see a fin. It's getting shallower here, so it's kinda scary to lose that fish. And it could be another shark, smaller one. What is this? Oh, that's a pomp. Oh yeah, that's a pompano. Yeah, that's a nice pomp. Look at this guy. Awesome. First pomp. It was right on the edge. All right, that's a keeper for sure. We gotta get more lines on that edge over there. That's a keeper. Nice fish. Nice fish. Another local guy rig. Fresh shrimp and fish bite. Oh yeah, he's a 12.5 to the fork and 15 overall. Midday pompano, 12.5 inches to the fork, just 15 overall. Hit the fresh shrimp and a fish bite. It's good to see. Man, that's what I was hoping for to come in here today. So it's good to see this guy. Thank you, buddy. All right, this guy was just hanging right on the edge. Yeah, right there. Alright, so 2 great things. 2 really good signs. First, most important, there is no trace of red algae that I can see, meaning the red tide is not affecting this area as of now. Another good sign is I was shocked to see those snook already here on the beach, and it just brings more excitement to fishing. Pompano, it's still gonna be my main target for the next few weeks. We at early spring season is open for snook, but it's not just that, it's the excitement of fishing for these fish on the beach. It's just unbelievable that you can side cast them, or you can just set rigs with live bait and wait when they hit. Seeing them in the clear water like that, swimming up close, it's just a great experience. Really awesome time here today. We scored some pumps, we caught some other fish. It was a win. Knowledge was the biggest thing today. Hey, the red tide situation got much better, but I do have a video when I was fishing in the middle of the outbreak and we still catch some fish. So if you want to see that video, it will be right over here, and I will see you there.